He lifted me and he held me on to him. He forgave me every time I didn't listen. He balanced me when I was unsteady on my feet. He guided me when I went down the wrong street. He embraced me when I had rough days. He listened to me when I had a lot to say. He's been there for me like no one else in this world. He really loves me, for he is my father and I'm his girl. Greetings to everyone. On this occasion of Father's Day, I would like to convey my deepest feelings about my father. I believe a daughter and a father may not always be eye to eye, but they'll always be heart to heart. The greatest gift anyone could get from another person is trust, and that is what my father has gifted me. I've never been alone in this life. What has stood behind me is the love of my father. This is a tuxedo card I made for him this Father's Day, which also has a message inside it. I believe thank you is a magic wand, and I really need to use it today. I want to thank him for everything he did, for all those ice cream walks we had together and are going to have in the future, for all those drives to the mall, and for letting me do whatever I wanted to, and for, of course, letting me sleep on his tummy. Because behind every great daughter is a truly amazing dad. So to end this video, I would like to say that there's no place higher than on daddy's shoulders. This was Maithily Nautiyal of Cambridge School, Noida with contestant code GIT-3-897. Thank you very much.